Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact ports on both devices so you don't interrupt the flow later. Locate the Chromebook's video output, usually USB-C or HDMI, and compare it to the monitor's inputs. Once done, pick the matching cable or a simple adapter. Make sure the monitor is powered on and switch to that input. You need a stable cable connection and power. This prevents detection issues. If you have a docking station, connect it now so the Chromebook sees the monitor as a single external display. You plug the cable into the Chromebook and then into the monitor, keeping connectors snug to avoid intermittent signal drop. After the physical link, open Settings and go to Displays. Chromebook will usually auto-detect. If it doesn't, click Detect Displays and wait a few seconds. Then arrange the screens so the pointer moves naturally. Drag monitor icons to match physical placement. Finally, select Mirror, Extend, or use only external display depending on your workflow. This determines how apps and windows appear across screens. You finish by fine-tuning resolution and scaling in displays to get crisp text and comfortable UI size. Higher resolutions may need scaling changes. If the monitor shows no signal, first reseat the cable, switch ports or try another cable, then restart the Chromebook to reset the display handshake. Make sure audio output is routed to the monitor if it has speakers. If issues persist, check for adapter active-passive compatibility, because some USB-C adapters need to support display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.